home. And Bill, again, we'll start back with you being in the industry for a while and where we're at and where you're at and what you've done.
Yeah, I think thanks for having me first, and thanks for setting this up for us, and welcome back to Skyline.
Yeah, thank you.
I think I spent my entire life in the mortgage business, and I don't think I got back into the business this time because I do sense a rare opportunity, and generally opportunities are created out of massive problems, and so we've, as you know, we've pretty much come through probably the worst market I've ever seen, although when I got into the business in the late 70s, early 80s, it was about the same as it is now. Smaller market, 20% interest rates, so things were
20% interest rates. You hear that out there?
A little different. And I think, so I've spent my life crafting two things, really: technology and products in the mortgage space. And my prior businesses both were very successful. First Franklin and Own It, and through those businesses, we pretty much learned how to create mortgage products.
Well, and I have to back you up on that, and Bill. And if you just tuned in, we're here with Bill Dallas, CEO of Skyline Home Loans. First Franklin was revolutionary. I mean, that was one of a kind, and it totally changed the mortgage market and the real estate market. And kudos to you, because I got to ride that wave. It was a wonderful thing. It gave a lot of people opportunities that weren't there before.
Yeah, we were one of the first companies on the planet to power mortgage brokers, mortgage originators. And we invented the 100% purchase product, which is one of the first non-agency products that really, I think, took on. We invented FICO, really the use of credit score and LTV to help risk-based price consumers, because I think the challenge that your consumers are having today is it's a very small box. You talked about it,
yep.
But the box really is about a compressed FICO score. And so if you've got a great FICO score, if you're 760, 780, and you've got a lot of money down, and you've got a great job,
you fit in the box.
It almost is saying, I don't need a loan. If you don't need a loan,
you get a loan.
They can give you one.
It's funny how that works.
It is. And so I think, but if you think about it just logically, as the market shifts, it tightens, and then it begins to loosen. So what you're in the beginning innings, I think, of a market where you're going to move away from the government and you're going to move to more mortgage products. And Skyline wants to be a leader. I want you guys to be leaders. I want my loan officers to be able to be leaders. And we want to be able to offer products for real people.
Yeah, and that's all of you out there, and you should be as excited as we are about that, because that's huge for a lot of you out there. Because I've been in this for 27 years, and I work with a lot of the top real estate professionals out here in Santa Cruz. Remember, this is our home, and we understand how it works out here. And it's hard for a lot of you out there because you had one-time economic developments, such as a bankruptcy, a loss of a job, short sale, foreclosure, and some of those are strategic. You needed to. If you were under the water, $400,000, you're not keeping the home. We get it. So to preface this for the next segments, because we're about to head into break in about 20 seconds here, Bill. So we're going to talk more about some of these opportunities that you're helping us create for a lot of you out there, right?
Yeah, I think what we'll start with is let's organize it, right? Let's talk about the new normal,
okay,
what it is for people. So I'll start with the new normal, and then I think query for yourself. America loves a sale. I mean, we're basically discount mavens, right? We love everything. Well, America's on sale, and nobody's buying. So why is that?